Hey guys, we are back and we have a special treat for you today. What do we have?
Today we have some chia pudding because I love chia.
Chia
I love chia pudding.
is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. And I always want to find ways to, consume it. So this is one. What's the ingredients?
This is called creamy strawberry chia pudding, and it has fresh strawberries in it.
Yeah,
and
how
love.
much? How much? How many strawberries?
It's a pint.
But for a serving size, you're probably talking about a tablespoon. It's so small.
Yeah, and this is a big, I wouldn't eat this much in one sitting.
It's very unlikely it's going to bump you out of ketosis. Small amount, you're not doing large servings, you're doing, a little bit. So
I like it because it's nummy, because I'm not a huge sugar pudding fan, but I love chia. I love the consistency. Not everybody does, but...
So do I.
You do?
It's a little crunchy.
Oh, I think it's like gelatin-like.
It's addicting. There's a little crunch. It's good. There's some protein in there. There's a lot of nutrition. It's a little bit of strawberry. Berries.
Yeah. It's very, very fresh. This recipe is a real fresh taste. It has a little lime zest in it. I really like it.
Yeah, and keep it right at the meal, after the meal, not as a snack between the meals. Okay?
Right.
All right.
So this is mealtime then for us.
This is a dessert.
So we better eat more because now it must be mealtime.
Mealtime?
Well, because otherwise we'd be snacking.
Well, we're doing the video, so it's okay.
Oh, okay. This is a time when it's okay to snack.
Well, when you're doing a video, of
If
course,
you're doing a video,
that's the excuse.
then you get to snack.
Right.
Apparently.
Exactly.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Well, let's go right into the how-to.
Yeah. Easy.
Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.